I'm going to show you how to use your H&M points and how it works. So H&M's digital loyalty program allows you to collect points and enjoy benefits like bonus vouchers, exclusive deals, free returns, and free standard delivery for purchases of $30 or more. So to join, it's quick and free. So to become an H&M member, just download the H&M app or go to hm.com. And if you have already an hm.com account, simply provide your birthday to join. So there are lots of ways on how to earn points. So first is you earn points every time you make a purchase and by completing your profile, by inviting friends to become members, purchasing conscious items with the green hang tag or conscious choice label, earn points when you bring your own bag for the in-store shopping. So by doing this, you will earn a lot of points, and for every 150 points, you'll receive a $5 bonus voucher. So here's how to redeem it. So in store, go to your account in the H&M app or on hm.com. Activate the offer or reward you want to use. Next is to present it to the cashier. So for online, first is ensure you're logged into your account on their website, and assuming you have shopped for items, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the cart button. So on the right side of the screen, you'll see the apply discount button. Click on that and enter the voucher code. Typically, when you have lots of points and vouchers, it will automatically apply before making the payment. So basically that's it.